Hey guys, what is going on? My name is Hamish. Welcome back to my channel. Today's video is going to be a really interesting thing that I've just discovered, which is about Jarvis. Again, I'm working with Jarvis, and basically this video is going to be how to turn a client's YouTube video, which is here, into a blog post using chapters. So if you don't know what a chapter is, if you look, this is kind of meta, but if you look at my video now, you will see that it is segmented, which I have written for myself. And you can click any chapter in the description, or you can read where you want to go in a video, which is a really nice system that YouTube introduced a few years ago. I'm sure many of you are familiar with what chapters are, but the good thing about chapters is you have to watch the video to do the chapters. Okay, so I'm not going to show you this entire video. I just want to very quickly show you that I suggest you go to settings here and you put it either on 1.25 or 0.75 depending on whether you're working on the blog post or if you're working on the chapters. I think the chapters you can do a little bit quicker, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to put this on 1.25, and then I am very going to quickly write these chapters, and I'll be back once that's done. Okay, so I accidentally left the recorder going, so I'm just going to leave this in the background. All I was doing was listening to what my client was saying and then writing like a key point from each period. Sometimes I had to pause to listen, and I've got my Chrome split in half with one screen on the left and her video on the right. But because I'm using OBS, it didn't record the video on the right, so that's why you can't see it. But all I'm doing is just writing down the key parts of each thing. Occasionally I have to press pause if I have to kind of think about something for a while. But all in all, this took me about 8 minutes. So far I've spent 8 minutes, and I've already done the chapters, which takes me 8 minutes no matter what, because I don't know if anyone's a YouTuber that is watching my videos, but if you've made chapters before, you'll know just how annoying they are to actually write, because you can't skip, because you want to, it's the essential parts of each video, so if you're skipping through it, then you're not going to get the key points. As you can see, I just put 3 ways to instantly start living a balanced life, because in the video, she gave 3 points. So it's always good to have a number in the title, I think. So 3 points to instantly start living a balanced life. Perfect YouTube title, perfect blog post title, etc., etc. So let's just cut into the live and let's talk about how I'm going to use these chapters to actually write the article. Okay, so the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to copy these into a Google document. You'll see why in just a second. So let's go Docs, and this is going to be the thing that I sent to her. So I'm going to write chapters here, chapters, and then I'm going to one by one delete all these numbers because I don't know a faster way to do it. You could probably actually, I want to test something out, guys. I want to test this out with you live instead of, I really want to know if this works. Instead of deleting them all one by one, I was curious about this the other day. Can you just put them, will they be separate? No. Doesn't work. You could remove all numbers automatically, I guess. Remove number tool. Remove digits from text. Okay, that works. And then we can stick this here. I'm going to put this in B, and then I'm going to do Control F, and I'm going to put colon, and I'm going to replace colon with a space, and then replace all. Okay, good. And then all I'm going to put, I really want to know if this works. I've been thinking about this last few days. This could be a really good Jarvis tip that I've just made up. Let's just try it with this many because I'm not sure this is actually going to work. Let's scroll down. Paste. Does this work? Did I crash Jarvis? Oh, it kind of works. It really nearly kind of works. I can put a space after this, so I can put replace all about, and then replace it with about space. See if that works. Okay. Interesting. And then Control Z that, and then paste that. Oh, it didn't work. Okay, whatever. This will do. So that is a really nice way to turn chapters into into Jarvis commands. It's not perfect, and I'm sure there is a slightly better way to do it, but I was really, really curious if that was going to work, and that was the first time I've tried it. Okay, and then I'm going to try and create the article. But first of all, you need to give it a brief. So a balanced life is different for everybody. So you need to understand how you can balance your own life. I'm just writing that manually because it's actually quicker, because I'm just adding a little bit of words. Let's see what it comes out with. Okay, perfect. I knew this method would work. Checking my deal score. Okay, yeah, this is insane. This is exactly what I wanted. Oh, I forgot to... That was stupid. I forgot to make the headings. Hang on. So you want to keep these as headings for the article as well. I should have mentioned, I guess, if you didn't already know that, but I guess you already did know that. Oops. And then you can delete the command afterwards. And then this can just have this as a title. Okay, perfect. Good, 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 good. So far in about 10 minutes, I've done 375 words and also the chapters of this article. This is honestly perfect for me. So write about taking good care of yourself, self-care to balance your life. So we need to copy this first, and then we hit the command, and that will delete it. Okay, really nice, really nice, really nice. Yeah, good, good, good. Oops. It's hard to see how many spaces are in the Jarvis editor sometimes. And health with our daily lives, it's important to put effort into taking good care of our own mental health. Okay, I really like that final sentence there. So we're going to add that. Perfect. Okay, and then we copy this. You must first practice self-care before taking care of others. That's actually really true. Like, really, really interesting. I've been listening to her YouTube videos, and honestly, like, it's not something I would normally listen to, but she makes some really, really good points. If you're curious about who I'm writing for, it's Dr. Asha Prasad. Prasad. I hope I'm saying that correctly. I'm really sorry if I'm not. I'm really, really bad with names. But yeah, she makes some really good points in her YouTube videos. So if you're interested in this kind of self-help, it's like an East and Western thing together. She makes some good points, honestly. Self-care is important because people can't take care of others if they don't. Yeah, that's perfect. Again, perfect, perfect, perfect. Eating the right type of food is essential. Right. This is... Oh, oh God. I hope that was a clean history. I'm not going to edit that out. I really hope that was clean. No, I'm joking. It will be. Oh, it'll just be like Cardano USD, Cardano USD, Cardano USD repeatedly. It's important to eat well in order to be healthy. Did I copy it? Yeah, good. Of course I did. Of course I did. It's important to eat well in order to be healthy and maintain a balance in your life. It would be good for you to take care of yourself by drinking plenty of water and meditating. They're the same points that you've just made here. Oh no, yeah, perfect. We can just delete that then. Okay, and then stick it here. Oh, perfect. These are all things that can benefit. Continue. Will it continue? Yes. What has worked for me is a combination of all four. Yeah, that's probably true. If you do these four things, you'll probably feel a lot better in your life. For example, I meditate in the morning so that I can start my day on the right track. Then I run on the treadmill for an hour. An hour is kind of difficult for some people, 20 minutes. I think 20 minutes is fine. Like, an hour is a little bit excessive, especially when you're first starting, like an hour. At lunchtime, and drink plenty of water throughout the day so I can stay hydrated. Okay. I also find going to bed earlier and waking up. I just like to add some little things sometimes. Just, I don't really know why. It's not really necessary, but I just like to do it. Getting physical, working out, yoga, walking nature. Okay, let's just add that to the bottom. That doesn't have to be its own. I like this point, so I'm definitely going to make sure that this is in the article. I think this is a really good point that she makes, like switching everything off a few hours before you go to bed. It's definitely easier said than done, but sorry Jarvis. I just cut Jarvis off accidentally. I'm so impatient. This is a really, really good point that she makes. I'm going to just delete that. Okay, we're going to paste that, and we're going to H2 it again. And as you can see, we're already building out the article really, really nicely. Having a morning and night ritual. Yeah, perfect. I do my best to try to meditate in the morning before I do anything else. I also that's really, really good. Good job, Jarvis. Jarvis is really good for this niche, or what I'm doing is just a really, really strong method. It could be that. But yeah, Jarvis is great for this niche, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so we're 15 minutes in, we're almost done. Let's just finish off. So let's just see what Jarvis does with this. I'm going to change it as a header, but I just want to see how Jarvis does. Oh, it's kind of bugged out a little bit, but it shouldn't be that problematic. Okay. Two nice lists. Yeah, good. Let's just get rid of that. Okay, what we enjoy doing. Figuring out what your priorities are. Okay, let's make that an H2. Oh my god. Make that an H2. Figuring out what your priorities are, what we enjoy doing, and what we have to do. Here is what we enjoy doing, and here's what we have to do. Let's get rid of that. I don't like random spacing. Jarvis is kind of weird about that. Be clear, organize, and delegate tasks you do not enjoy. Delegate tasks you do not enjoy to others. That's a great piece of advice. Good job. It's true, though. It's true, but it's like at the same time, you can't just give everyone the tasks you don't like. Be clear about what you want to get accomplished and how you want to organize your time. There's no need to get tangled up. Yeah, very good. Once you have the clarity to free up yourself. Okay, looks good. Good job, Jarvis. That is a beautiful article done. So let's copy that. The only problem is I need to do this manually, I think. I don't think this will copy properly. Let's have a look. If you don't know what I'm talking about, yeah, it didn't copy. It's the lists, and we want these to actually be lists. So we need to press the list button, which is there. And now they have the list and the hyphen. I wish Jarvis wouldn't do that. It's really annoying. Really, really annoying. I'm not deleting those. It's not going to affect SEO, honestly. Well, I don't know why that's the thing. They should really change that as soon as possible. Why does it make headers randomly bold? Anyway, so now what I want to try is I'm going to put this on long, and I'm going to say, right, a YouTube video about how to have a balanced life. Write a YouTube video description about how to balance your life. Okay, so if Amanda Weston from Blogs by Jarvis, shout out to Amanda for telling me this. If she is right, and I think she is, the best thing for me to do is to create everything. Check out her website, check out her YouTube channel. I'll leave her YouTube in the description. Is you create everything in the same brief, which is a really, really nice piece of advice. And I'm going to try this now. And I think I just hit Control J, or I'm going to write YouTube description here, just to tell Jarvis that this is what he's supposed to be doing. And then I'm going to hit Control J, and we'll see what happens. That hasn't really done it. So let's try write a YouTube video description about living a balanced life. Okay, come on. This would be really nice if this just works first time. Okay, so far so good. It doesn't matter if it's kind of the same, because it just requires it to be different enough, and they're completely different, like completely different, what they called, so completely different sources. It's just creating a random YouTube link. What is that, Jarvis? Come on, Jarvis. I kind of like seeing if this is actually a thing. Oh, it is. Oh, wow. It actually got a picture. Good boy, Jarvis. Good boy. Not what I wanted at all. It's like when a cat brings you a dead bird and you're just like, oh, wow, good job, thanks. And it's like, I really didn't want that at all, but thanks. Thanks, though. I don't know how to make it do this. Okay, let's just keep trying, I guess. I don't know what it's doing now. There we go. See? Good boy. Just write a video description for me, thank you. It's not an article. After reading this article, please write down what you found helpful about it. Don't copy verbatim anything inside of it because it's not yours. Oh, I love Jarvis. Okay, so I'm gonna check this after, but for now, it looks good though. I'm reading at the same time. It does seem like good stuff, and the really good thing is it's completely different. It's just basically created another article at this point. Sometimes you just gotta tell Jarvis that'll do. Good job. Okay, I'm just gonna very quickly check this. Yep. Okay. Perfect. It's good. As usual, it's just good content. So we are putting this. I don't even. The thing is, I don't remember writing this article because I didn't write it. It's just like, what? How is that possible? Okay, so this is the entire YouTube description. It might be a bit too long. It is only 5,000 characters. Thinking about it. YouTube. Wait, what was the title? Is it 3? Yeah, 3 ways. YouTube title. How to live a balanced life. 3 easy steps to. Okay, YouTube title. Let's add a break. No, I want to just make this H1. Okay. And then YouTube description. YouTube description. I need to write a meta description as well. That's a good point. So we're going to go back and I'm going to say write a 255 character meta description about this article. 3 steps to living a balanced. Okay, meta. I really want to try this. I want to see if there's a way to make Jarvis just give me it. Oh, it did it. That's how you do it. Oh, or not. Almost. Almost. This article offers 3 steps to the first. How many characters is that? Character checker. Close enough. I love Google. Close enough. Oh, that's just literally the entire article. That's not what I wanted. 237. That'll do. Okay, perfect. Maybe meta description. It makes more sense to put it here. Meta description. Okay, so we are about half an hour in, and I am now finished. And this, what I've just done is the payment is $50. So if I can do 2 of these an hour, which it's not actually that boring as well. It's not as boring as just writing content from scratch, because I actually have to read this and I have to make sure it's good. How many words is that in total? 3,702. Wow. I am. I wouldn't say it's underpaid though. Like I've been reading a lot of things where it's like, oh, you're underselling yourself. But like I'm just doing a $50 article. Yeah, I probably should be charging more. But like, how is it so many words? That's the article once. Oh, I've got it twice. That's why. Okay, so I need to delete that. Oops. Okay, let's go tools and let's do another word count, 2,440. Yeah, it's about 0.3 per word, a little bit less, which is fine for me, 0.03, sorry. We are done. So let's send this off to the client, and that is it for this video. I think the best tips for this video were the chapters thing that I showed you at the beginning and writing an article from that. And then also this here seems to work really well. Yeah, look. Yeah, perfect. And then you can just pick and choose what, there's the meta description there. Perfect. Okay, peace out guys. Thanks for watching and hope this helps more people. If you want to support my channel, you can do one of two things. You can either buy Jarvis using my affiliate link, which will be in the description, or you can go to my Patreon, which is this Income Stream Surfer, Patreon/Income Stream Surfer. And yeah, you can join, and currently only doing Redbubble things, but if you just want to support me generally, feel free. Peace out.